no stress. Maths and science, you can break them to the best. Now your brain go shine, no time to the guess. You simplify, I'm enough, it be less.
One of the terrible things we could ever see for your life when you want to solve maths, now to not read the question, understand. If you don't read and understand them, you will go to solve another thing. Question way simple. You go sleep on top bike. No nice now. See the question just sweet. They say if 7 into x minus y equal to 4, what is the value of x minus y? Why EBC will come go? You carry your two left hand, go to do 7 times. You go first even write and everybody for class and the examiner go to say you sabi what you want to do. You're going to go do 7 times s, 7x minus 7 times y, 7y equal to 4. Where won't go from? Where you or some people even say, oh, then equation 1. Where you know say won't go from here? Which other information won't carry help your life? Is this say no nice? Question come sweet like this. Say 7 into x minus y equal to 4. Make you find x minus y. Where be this x minus y? Say, that be you to just say, oh yeah, this one where they attached to this rule. Come out time. Divide both side by 7. Divide both side by 7. Make this guy and this side come out. Make only that x minus y when they say me fine. They for left. Anything will remain for this right now. Now it will be the final answer. Some of you will reach here and I'll go see the divide 4 divided. Why did you do like this? I don't like what you do. So you see the option. Which option will this on day? Put them for comment section. So if you don't like this video now, share them. My name is Instructor Alison. I mean they teach math and science for Pidgin English. And they teach people they sit for SAT exam, people they sit for IGCSE, people they sit for GCSE, even GCE, even WAEC, even NECO, even JAMB. I mean they solve their problems. So if you never hit the like button now, and then go that subscription button, hit the subscribe button. You will see that it will be like bell. Turn on that bell icon, select all. So anytime I upload new video, now you go first receive notification. Then don't forget to share them for the and a group chat. Share and give everybody. You start to say, come see first way they teach math and science, the way we say the thing sweet. Everybody understand. I mean, are they active? Now until next time I will see you. Peace and love.
No stress. Maths and science, you can break them to the best. Now your brain go shine.